So today I will share a short story with you about a girl who lost the most basic aspect of living but still motivated herself to achieve more. There was a happy young 7th grader girl who was full of life, happiness and positivity. Her name is Rachel. She gave love and spread positivity all around her. Any person, whether elder or younger, would be happy around her. Besides being a brilliant human being, she was a brilliant student too, always an A+ achiever. She dreamed of becoming a lawyer, so she worked hard to score good in order to fulfill all the requirements for the merit of a law school. Because of her hard work, she would often be nominated for scholarships, in which she got many scholarships. Rachel, being the optimist, always gave hope to the people who were in need of at a very young age. She had a healthy life both physically and mentally till one unfortunate winter evening. It had rained like cats and dogs. Everything was soaked. Rachel's cat escaped the front door of the house and went outside in this chilly weather. She went after him to bring him back. Since it had rained and everything was wet, the pole was charged and dangerous to touch. Rachel leaned down to get her cat. She held the pole for supporting, not knowing it was charged. The pole electrocuted her bad that she was barely saved seconds before her death. The electrocution resulted in burning both her arms, and unfortunately, both her arms had to be cut off surgically. Rachel at first could not believe what was happening to her. Her body in transition, so was her mind. It was too much process all once. People get depressed about losing a finger. Imagine losing both your arms. What would it be like? That's what Rachel was trying to digest. It wasn't easy at every day you wake up with no arms. It seems hellish. Rachel slowly and gradually was accepting the fact that she lost her arms and was completely dependent on others for basic necessities that required the use of her arms. It would upset her that she could not perform her own duties herself. Rachel lost her arms, but her motivation was strong enough to make her climb the mountains without complaining. She had a dream and she did not want to give it up. After recovery, Rachel practiced day and night to do the most of her work by her feet. She emphasized mostly on writing since she had no arms. She tried and after many attempts and failures, she finally could write by her feet. This was unbelievable and yet remarkable. She continued her schools, she sat for her examination and got a scholarship for law school, all by using her feet to attempt the papers. She had a dream that she was passionate about. She was a hopeful and optimistic person who had a terrible accident which normally would emotionally distress a person for life, but Rachel did not let it affect her and her dreams. She accepted it as it was fated to be, but also that it did not mean she gives up her dreams and lag behind. She practiced using her feet for her dream. To achieve what she dreamed of, she worked hard and way harder than any normal person. Her motivation, optimism and positivity let her pave her way and climb the mountains without having arms. Her hard work paid off all because she never gave up. So the moral of the story is, never give up on your dreams no matter what happens. Many times in life you will be knocked down, but you have to believe in yourself and hold strong and steady to make your dreams come true. Because if you will, you can. It all depends on how you process things. So let positivity into process what comes your way with optimism. You will surely reach your destination then. Believe in yourself and never give up.
Yeah.